You don't get in life what you want, you get in life what you are. Now, this doesn't talk about the fact that if you're rich, you'll only keep getting richer, whereas if you're poor, you'll only keep getting poorer, which isn't the case most of the times. But this talks about your mindset. Now, you've probably heard the term mindset a million times, but I bet you don't know what it is, and let alone how beneficial it is for you. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna explain to you what mindset actually is and how beneficial it is for you. But first, let's start from the top and discuss what mindset actually is.
Mindset is the established set of attitudes held by someone.
Well, what mindset really is your collection of thoughts and beliefs about yourself and the outer world, which affect pretty much everything from how you perceive different incidents to your actions. It basically controls how you make sense of this world and what you feel and do about it. The man who says he can and the man who says he can't are both correct. Like I said earlier, your mindset affects your thoughts, and as we all know, your thoughts become your actions. Your actions form your habits, and your habits shape your reality. This butterfly effect is the reason why some people succeed while others have no clue why they're not evolving in life. It's the small battles which lead to victory. I know you've heard all of this like a million times by now, but I'm gonna tell you what you can do to actually make a change for the better. Well, take action. As simple as that. Just take action. Now you might be thinking, well, that's such a broad advice. What do you even mean, just take action? Now wait, let me explain. See, I've applied this small rule in my life, which is if something takes less than 60 seconds, do it right now. For example, you want a glass of water, but you're too lazy to get up from your cozy setup. Pause the series you're binging and go and get it. Well, just get it. Don't even let yourself have a second thought. Just get up and go get that glass of water. I mean, just keep pushing yourself to do these everyday seamless tasks which literally take less than a minute to do. Now, this may not seem as much, but what it'll do is put your brain in an upward spiral where you'll start doing things you were earlier procrastinating by forming a habit of actually doing instead of procrastinating. And before you know it, your life will get so much better in almost every aspect because you're actually doing things instead of just thinking about them or saving them for later. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the power of mindset.